on Justice and Human Rights. So ordered. Motion to suspend the hearing for today.
Mr. Chairman, I move to suspend the
City Jail is just near the Senate, maybe by next week, because we are going to have our recess the week after next. So, and this woman, our resource person, Mrs. France, have been giving a lot of inconsistent answers coming from me. And I believe that this woman, Ms. France Ruiz, is the mastermind of everything, of maltreating, of inflicting severe injuries, leading to the total blindness of Aling LV. Therefore, Mr. Chair, I move that we cite this woman, Mrs. France Garcia Ruiz, in contempt.
I second the motion, Mr. Chair.
There is a motion here coming from Senator Estrada to cite in contempt Mrs. France Garcia Ruiz, duly seconded by Senator De La Rosa, and under the rules of the Senate, as affirmed.
Maybe, Mr. Chair, we better confine her at the Pasay City Jail, not here in the Senate.
And under the, if I may continue, Senator Estrada, under the rules of the Senate, as confirmed by the Supreme Court in Balag versus Senate GR 234608, July 3, 2018, and other relevant Supreme Court decisions, the committee may, as affirming likewise the case of Arnold, cite a resource person in contempt. And the Sergeant at Arms may be directed by this committee to detain the person, said person cited for contempt. There is a subsequent motion, unless the first motion is amended by Senator Estrada, to transfer, to detain Mrs. France Garcia to commit Mrs. France Garcia to the Pasay City Jail. The chair would perhaps ask the movant to reconsider the Pasay City detention and instead commit said Mrs. Garcia to the Senate premises for the reason that we will also be needing her immediate presence during next week's hearing, unless Senator Estrada would want to retract his modification, or if Senator De La Rosa would support the subsequent
Chair,
motion, amended motion,
if I may.
the committee would decide accordingly. Senator,
Yep.
Mr. Chair,
Yep.
Senator
if I may.
Estrada first.
I will not withdraw my motion. I still insist that she be committed at the Pasay City Jail, because Pasay City Jail is just near the Senate. We can always subpoena her or call her attention in case this committee needs her presence here.
Said motion of Senator Estrada and a detention order be issued to Mrs. France Garcia Ruiz, effective today, September 19, 2023, given in open session by the Senate Committee on Justice and Human Rights. So ordered. Rosa, can you escort Mrs. Ruiz to the detention facilities of the Philippine Senate? Any motion to suspend the hearing for today?
Mr. Chairman, I move to suspend the hearing for the day.
Siguro ang next question dito ni Senator Estrada, do you confirm the statements you made during an interview sa TikTok ba to, ABS? Kayo po yan nagsalita?
Opo, Your Honor. Marami kasing cut yan, Your Honor. May mga una pa po yan.
Kailan po yun na itong interview ito?
Hindi ko na po matandaan, Your Honor, kasi may trangkaso ako nung time na yan. Bumangon lang ako kahit nakahiga ako yan.
So yung mga tanong dyan, yung pareho pa rin yung sagot nyo na ang dahilan ng pagkabulag ay yung pananakit ng mga kanyang kasamahan sa trabaho.
Opo, Your Honor.
Sino itong naririnig natin kanina, John Paul? Ngayon ko lang narinig ito. Sino yung John Paul? Iba itong nandito, John Patrick. Iba pa yung John Paul.
Iba, hindi po yun, hindi ko po tao yun. May nagpunto lang po sa akin na dyan po ang pangalan na gano'n nga daw po yung background niya. Na,
Hindi nyo nakaharap yung John Paul.
naikwento lang po sa akin na gano'n nga daw po yung background niya sa pinanggalingan niya na malikot daw ang kamay. Kinausap ko naman po siya. Kasi siya po yung katiwala ko dati sa tindahan. Nung pasok niya ng 2019 sa akin, siya na po yung taghahawak ng susi ng tindahan namin.
Akala ko tiga-tinda lang ng gulay. So,
Hindi po.
susi.
Sa gabi po sa kanya ko po iniiwan ang susi po. Hindi po siya nagatinda ng gulay, Your Honor.
Kanina sabi nyo, doon kayo sa kalye. Sa kalye, sa may palengke, nung wala pa kayong...
Tanggian po, Your Honor, yung ng 2020. Tapos kumbaga patid-hatid lang siya doon ng pagkain sa amin, Your Honor, kasi hindi nga po marunong magkwenta, tsaka hindi marunong magtinda, kaya hindi ko po pinapatinda, Your Honor.
Hindi marunong magkwenta, pinagtiwala nyo yung susi.
Opo, yung baga
Yung
sa
susi
gabi.
noon,
Opo, paggabi.
Nagkaroon siya ng access sa pera. Kasi nawalan ka ng 12,000, sabi mo. So dahil nahawak niya yung susi. So malapit yun sa pinagtataguan mo ng pera, ganun ba?
Hindi, Your Honor. Yung pera po, nawala yun nung nagtitinda kami sa Tianggi.
Dito, hindi naman siya bulag.
O yan.
Tumating po siya dito. Hindi po. Ganito po nangyari. Sa lahat.
39 seconds.
So bakit po nabulag?
Ay, nag-away nga po sila ng kanyang ng kasi ginamit niya daw
Boss.
yung
Boss, doon pa lang. Hindi ako polygraph machine, ha? I am not a polygraph machine. I am not claiming to be a master investigator. Pero yung sagot mo lang na yun, klaro na.